it does. It was a pleasure to have you. Have a good one. Okie dokie. My scales has gone weird this evening. Like, it stops calibrating. I don't know what's going on with it. Strange happenings are afoot. I'll be leaving soon. It's been a pleasure. No bother at all, Jareth. I hope you have a lovely Friday and a lovely weekend. It was a pleasure to have you. So it was a pleasure to have you. And I hope you make a stop in here again in the future. It was lovely having you. I'll check on them cookies shortly. No bother at all, Ghosty. No bother at all. Oh my goodness. Okay, we just need 6 of these butterscotch cookies. Okay. We're rolling. And I gotta bake cookies again tomorrow for Sunday. For Sunday, tomorrow, Saturday. Sunday. Three, 4. Okay. 45. Lads, I will say as well, it is so much easier to read chat. I don't even feckin' know myself. It is so much easier to read chat on here now. I love it so much. Like, if you don't know, lads, if you're new to the stream, I used to stream in Ireland, and I used to only have a small laptop for streaming. And it was a pain. It was a pain. So it's so nice now to actually have a monitor to be able to read chat on. It is like a luxury. Okay, that's extra, and that is extra too. Okay, now I can boil pasta. Do anything else? I still have all my crap. I think we're okay for everything right now, Excel guy. Like, oh my god, it's been insane though. Like, there's something wrong with the PC. There is something wrong with it, and we don't know what it is, because my mic won't work. There's something wrong with the audio. My mic won't work. We don't know why. But we're trying to figure it out. We think there's an issue with the motherboard, which is a bummer. But we're not entirely sure what the issue is. Everything is bigger in Texas. Hell yeah it is. Hell yeah it is. But we're not sure if we need to get a new motherboard. But then the place where I bought my motherboard literally said, yeah, you have 15 days to return it. It has been longer than 15 days, my dudes. But yeah, yesterday we were like getting set up for stream. Everything was good. And then it was like, why isn't my mic working? What is going on right now? Like, my mic's not working. What's happening? But it is what it is. We'll figure it out. But as of right now, it's just kind of frustrating because I was so excited to have my PC up